Hello everyone. Today we're going to make a card with the color and contour bundle with these beautiful dies. And I just have to show you these different dies and the scallops. I've been using them for a while on different projects. This is the largest one with a scalloped border, and it pretty much covers almost the entire card front. But I'm just cutting these out of basic white so that you can take a look at them. There it is. There's the largest one, and just so pretty with that eyelet border edge. So now I'm going to take the next largest die and run it through the Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. And it's a little smaller, but this one has a little special added touch as well. And you'll see that as soon as I pull that up. It's got that faux stitching around the edge, which I just love. And so again, it's got a scalloped edge, but a different touch to it. So it's just a little bit different than the bigger one. Here's another one that's much like the one we just cut. And then there's the third one and the fourth one. Actually, the fourth and the fifth that are smaller. And they both have their special little uniqueness to them. So I can run all three of these at the same time. That piece of basic white is cut about 4 inches wide, and I just use a strip of it. That one has stitching. This one has little sliced cuts along the edge, really pretty. And this one has like a pierced scallop border. It's great for sentiments. Okay, so now we're going to put that aside and start assembling a card. So I'm going to start with Daffodil Delight. Fold that in half. It's 5.5 by 8.5, and give it a good crease with a bone folder. And then I'm going to take a piece of soft succulent, and that is, I use that little scattered dot border to make a border around that edge. And here's that largest, or second to the largest die that I just die cut from the pansy paper, and I'm using that side, and I believe that might be Bumblebee, not Daffodil Delight. Sorry about that. Now I'm going to take some soft succulent open weave ribbon and put some Stampin' Seal Plus and do this easy ribbon treatment and go back and forth and make like a swirl, so to speak, and that's going to anchor that down. You can trim that off, and then I've used that particular stamp to stamp and die cut those little blossoms, and just going to glue that down over the ribbon, and that also helps adhere it. Now I'm choosing a sentiment, and I'm going to use the, I'm going to use the soft succulent again, and I'm going to stamp that directly onto that designer paper. So that left lower corner, it says thank you for everything. It's going to work just right. These are the in color jewels that are just beautiful, and I'm using some in the soft succulent color to add to this card front. So let's go ahead and take the card base, and we're going to put that soft succulent whole piece over top, and there we have a really pretty card that went together fairly easily. I love using those scallop contour dies for different projects, and here you can see all of them to compare them one to the other, and I hope you will try that and use these dies to make your cards really beautiful. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know. Leave a comment here and I'll get back to you later. Take care. Bye-bye.